Did you feed the dog? Yes, I already gave him his food. Hi, this is Mark, and this is English Conversation Practice. 10 very short conversations, set 29. So be sure to see all the videos in this series. Plus, in the second part, we will do it together. We will be the conversation. So stick around for the second part so we can do it together. Are you ready to practice with me? Yes? Okay, great. Let's do it. Can you set the table for dinner? Sure. I'll get the plates and silverware. Did you feed the dog? Yes, I already gave him his food. Where's the remote control? I think it's on the coffee table. Can you turn off the lights before you leave the room? Yes, I'll make sure to do that. What time is the laundry going to be done? It should be finished in about 10 minutes. Did you water the plants today? Yes, I watered them this morning. Have you seen my keys? I think I saw them on the kitchen counter. Can you help me fold the laundry? Of course, I'll be right there. Did you finish your test? Yes, I just completed it. It's getting cold. Can you adjust the thermostat? Sure, I'll turn up the heat a bit. Let's take turns. I will go first. I will be the red sentences. And you will go second. You will be the blue sentences. Can you set the table for dinner? Did you feed the dog? Where's the remote control? Can you turn off the lights before you leave the room? What time is the laundry going to be done? Did you water the plants today? Have you seen my keys? Can you help me fold the laundry? Did you finish your test? It's getting cold. Can you adjust the thermostat? Let's switch. You will go first. You will be the red sentences. And I will go second. I will be the blue sentences. Sure, I'll get the plates and silverware. Yes, I already gave him his food. I think it's on the coffee table. Yes, I'll make sure to do that. It should be finished in about 10 minutes. Yes, I watered them this morning. I think I saw them on the kitchen counter. Of course, I'll be right there. Yes, I just completed it. Sure, I'll turn up the heat a bit. Okay, great job. And please don't forget to subscribe. And please ring that bell to get all my videos. And please join the channel. That would be fantastic. And for worksheets and flashcards, please check out my website, markkulek.com. Okay, thanks so much. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.